Hello friends, this is Antonio from Spain. I want to show you a very rare and extremely rare dolmar cp two-man saw. Okay, this saw is very rare. Are only known four. Okay, are only known four. So what we are talking about? We are talking about a very special, very rare, impossible to find. I will never see one again. Uh, the man who had it made the handlebar because the two man doesn't have it, and he used it to put on the bicycle. He went on bicycle, driving by bicycle, and with the chainsaw to work every day. Very nice life. I would love to be in that work. Bye folks. We saw.